easel.
Top performers are capable of exceptional things, and that goes for the workplace and business as well. So in this module, we're going to look at what the research says about top performers and how you can manage them so that you can retain and leverage their exceptional skills. So this exceptional research that involved over 630,000 performance assessments shows that if you look at performance, for example, on the y-axis, most people would expect that performance is more like a normal distribution curve. That is, people tend to fall in the middle and on the side in a predictable manner. But in reality, what the research shows is that actual performance tends to follow this power law type distribution, which shows you that at the very top end of performance, this group of people tends to dramatically outperform even the second tier players or candidates. So for you, that means that there is a real difference between top performers and those that are not top performers. Second, top performers have a different situation in the labor market, and they require a different management approach. For one, top performers tend to have lots of opportunities, so money isn't always their sole motivator. Second, they're consistently recruitment targets by savvy recruiters and even just by people in their networks who know that they're really good at what they do. So this management approach that you can take is to try to engage them in a different way. And that is through developmental opportunities. That's how you want to cultivate engagement from top performers. Here are 4 types of opportunities you might try to give them. You might try to expand their professional network by doing something like connecting them with a mentor. You might give them more challenging assignments. You might expect them to learn aggressively by going to conferences, taking challenging courses, or expecting them to learn and apply new technologies. And sometimes a more formal arrangement is necessary, like developing a specific and custom career plan for them that has known milestones and action points so that they can expect that if they achieve these milestones, that they will progress in their career. So in summary, research shows that top performers far outperform everybody else, and it's critical to try to retain and leverage that exceptional performance potential. They typically have many career opportunities and require a specialized management approach. The best way to get engagement from top performers is to identify developmental opportunities for them. Some of these developmental opportunities might be things like mentorship, challenges, learning opportunities, and customized career planning.